Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we're taking a look at the Infinity by Harman Zip 100 stereo in-ear headphone. Before you decide to buy this product, there are a few features that you should keep in mind. To begin with, you have the ear tips designed in a fashion so as to fit comfortably in your ears. The back of the headphones has a distinctive Infinity branding with the logo, as you can see over here. The inline control with a multifunction button offers a variety of distinctive preset options for control. You can tap the button once for starting and pausing playback, tap it twice to move to the next track, and tap it 3 times to move to the previous track in your playlist. The cable itself is of the flat kind, which reduces the possibility of your wires getting entangled. And you have the angular 3.5 mm gold plated jack at the end, which is primarily built for gaming purposes and to reduce the possibility of breakage. And there you have it, a few things to keep in mind when making a purchase decision about the Infinity by Harman Zip 100 stereo in-ear headphone. Thank you for watching.